I'm going to show you how to make the perfect dessert condiment, caramel sauce. To make caramel sauce, you'll need 3 ingredients: sugar, cream, and butter. Anything else is optional. Set your heat to medium-high, add your sugar, and stir constantly. The sugar will begin to melt and brown as it comes to temperature. Hey, I said mix constantly, and scrape down the sides while you're at it. You want to get all this melting and browning together. Now that everything is melted, you want to watch for color. If you like yours lighter, add your butter and cream here. I like mine much darker. After all, this is where the flavor comes from. Once you get to your desired color, remove from heat, add your butter, and while mixing, slowly add the cream in by thirds, preventing the caramel from seizing up and making the process that much smoother. You can keep it plain, or at this point you can flavor your caramel with flavorings such as vanilla or cinnamon. Today we'll be making salted caramel, so we'll be adding a hefty pinch of sea salt. Our caramel sauce is done. I'm gonna pour it on and give it a try. Oh, that's really thick. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, I don't want to overdo it, right? It definitely thickened up as it cooled down. Oh. Okay, I'm giving this a shot because it's melting. Very buttery. I can really taste the salt in there. It's delicious. Very good. Okay, let's try one of these apples. Ooh, that really sticks to the apple. Yeah, I'm double dipping. It's just me. Really good, much better than store-bought. Give it a try and enjoy it.